Have you ever tried to lift something really heavy, like moving a fridge or a big rock in your garden? It's tough, right? But what if I told you that humans figured out a trick thousands of years ago that lets you lift heavy objects using less effort? That trick is called mechanical advantage, and today we're diving into one of the coolest simple machines that uses it, the lever. So what exactly is mechanical advantage? Think of it this way. It's getting more output from less input. In simple terms, it means you can move or lift something heavy by applying less force than the object actually weighs. It's like having superpowers, but it's actually just smart physics. Simple machines are tools that make work easier by changing the size or direction of a force. There are 6 types of simple machines, but today we're focusing on levers, one of the most common and useful ones. A lever is a rigid bar that rotates around a fixed point. Every lever has 3 important parts you need to know. First, there's the fulcrum. That's the pivot point, or the spot where the lever balances and rotates. Second, there's the effort. That's the force you apply to make the lever work. And third, there's the load. That's the object you're trying to move or lift. Here's where it gets interesting. Depending on where you place these 3 parts, the fulcrum, effort, and load, you get different classes of levers, and each class has its own special superpower. There are exactly 3 classes of levers, and each one is designed for a different job. In Class 1 levers, the fulcrum sits between the effort and the load. Think of a seesaw at the playground. In Class 2 levers, the load is between the fulcrum and the effort, like a wheelbarrow. And in Class 3 levers, the effort is between the fulcrum and the load, like when you use tweezers or even your own arm. Why does this matter? Because once you understand how levers work, you'll start seeing them everywhere. In your kitchen, in tools, in sports equipment, even in your own body. Your arms, legs, and jaw all work as levers. So here's what we've learned today. Mechanical advantage lets you do more with less effort, and levers are simple machines that use a fulcrum, effort, and load to create that advantage. We've also discovered that there are 3 classes of levers, each with the fulcrum, effort, and load in different positions. In our next video, we're going to deep dive into Class 1 levers, the balanced machines. We'll explore exactly how they work, calculate their mechanical advantage, and look at real examples you use every day. Can you think of a tool in your home that might be a Class 1 lever? Drop your guess in the comments. I'm Mr. G, and remember, science and technology aren't just in textbooks, they're all around you. See you in the next one.